Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Twitch Drops login issues, account linking errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with Twitch Drops, follow these steps to resolve account linking errors. Begin by checking your Twitch account settings. Log into your Twitch account on the official website. Navigate to the Connections tab within your account settings. Ensure your gaming platform, such as PlayStation, Xbox, or Steam, is linked to your Twitch account. If the platform isn't linked, select the appropriate icon and follow the prompts to connect your account. Next, return to the game or event generating the Twitch Drops. Make sure you're logged into the same platform account you just linked. If you're still facing issues, try logging out of both your Twitch account and the gaming platform. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to eliminate any stored errors. Once cleared, log back into your Twitch account first. After that, log back into your gaming platform account. Reconnect your Twitch account to your gaming platform again if necessary. Now, check to see if the Twitch Drops are correctly recognized. If you're still having problems, examine any notifications from Twitch or the game developers. Sometimes, server issues can affect account linking, so wait a little while and try again. If all else fails, consult the support pages for Twitch and your gaming platform for further help. Following these steps should help resolve any login issues related to Twitch Drops. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.